na insurance iriwa atia. So you don't just go and withdraw because you have taken a policy. So koi procedure thiatawa. So especially ke life business kana baba iwagia biashara insurance jana those life covers so okaithra teen investment for example a short term okay I go withdraw that amount on a breach of contract so you may lose your money. So because most of the companies you should withdraw your money kana ukienda kumage policy at least you read for 36 months. That is when you can get something on pro rata basis. Yes.
Meaning kutonya kile insurance maybe ukaregister in insurance ya kithomo kana iwi ya ngari ukaja maybe miaka ile achira ai kana nyoka acha mbecha menya kwena mbecha maybe chiri awa per month.
Yes.
Awatrima your source of income ikuva kwithira itwika na itwikira at 2 years na utakinya maybe 36 months mbecha chia kugaikaura na amwele wangu.
Okay. Economy no ethukire muntu. So ukaithira wambirite kuria policy you can contact your insurance firm kwa gitu tuita grace period. You can be given a grace period of a certain time.
Okay.
Kenda umba ku assume kuendelea that policy kenda kwa kinyera at a point after 3 years then now you can withdraw your money. You can get a certain amount depending on how much you are paying and the term of your policy. Yes.
Okay. Uwarende we muritani na ukituthomethia kimantu yegie insurance witwira turia Kenya kwina mithemba ya insurances lakini kwina chira lazima mtu ethiraitete kana si lazima hata ukate hiyo insurance.
Insurance ile lazima iyerambuire ne angari third party only. Kana TPO ile cover other people's properties. Kana intobira oa bitikwegie. So eno tuita third party na yule lazima kisheria utenga ribati wita barabara ne itina that insurance is the minimum policy kulingana na sheria ya Kenya. Euni yoita wa third party ira karea other properties kana intobinge bila bitiagie oa bila gare guyombikie cause damages too. So that is the minimum policy that a person can have. Now with the ngari utina then Kenya is a crime. Muntu no awatwe, ngari no awatwe, na nyano iko kotini na no ari faini. Yes, lakini winge ti lazima. But that one, a third party policy is a must. Yes.
Enda tukarire mantu jegi insurance changari na atakukarikendira maybe ngari yon accident ndireba agukua anakwena kinyabiria abo kama tingari nere na kinyabo toro bobo kumba kwithira bwiterwa iba obari aba na iba obabare ya
mbere pio kuringana na insurance driver is not covered. Driver is not part of the passengers. Driver abati kwithira na kaveke wengwa kaichurira itawa personal accident cover ya mukaba personally because kinyanga ara itawa matatu for example kaithare antu 14 inyetha ni tala 14 abati kwithira baiko 15 ya mwana driver. So driver kisheria neither excluded in the case of accident. Those people are all kana to bonde babati kuriwa wa compensated and depending on the cost of the damages kana injuries problem to ari agent kiwango kiana. So coordinate kaya na once kulingana na problem to aumiete na profession actually vile la profession na nya age. So accident yake yokarika kuna procedure bati kudhiato. Number 1 the insurance company should be notified immediately after the accident, not less than 24 hours. Na report iandikwa immediately to nearest police station. Alafu kumaunga reneva tiwita inspection, with inspection. Alafu kuna process ya claim, mtu akaya kauri claim form. Alafu ndi customer paka njiri entry ku claim against the accident. You actually do with a third party policy. Yes.
Okay. Anabaka sana ni BBI la kuendelea maybe buku with the composition.
Compensation, it depends na policy rego wenyo. For example, kidhani we life to guaira kana education bitu ile lagi compensation a more lapse of time policy ga tere ko mature ile in case of death of the policy holder, in case policy holder aga withdraw teo na policy yo kare skuru, the policy will run. The company will continue paying for the premium, yet away for premium, and a premium iga withdrawn. Ila chiara ya the policy holder, mwanka itara policy area ni eginyela, then the child will now starting getting the benefits. So ivo insurance work you na I think kengari is indifferent because urandi tamaini kana mbejirika ika warrant to a person is a court of law. Kana mtu akaita garantia na insurance baka angry on out of court settlement mtu akaua uninge ya kunengero ngiria na angry mana ile for example I can withdraw my case na kaita tena case against the insurance firm. Yes.
Thank you. Anabaka sana akwe na ntubura bega kuri to insurance ria beto bakadwa insurance sitawani itonga. How true is that?
Insurance ititawani itonga ke. Insurance actually can be consumed by anybody. Because when inya policies okay agua for example no going to invest for 10 years for example. So the amount of money that you have to raise kanamba jiro kwamba ku raise every month it join determine maybe you can start as low as 500. So anybody in Kenya can afford 500 as long as the person is working. So insurance, that is a misconception because it can be bought by anyone. Yes.
Okay. Anibaka sana akwe na mistakes kana amakosa irantu bugudha kendra bagwita insurance maybe chedre chongari achedre richi ya policies cha kithomo na insurance mitenda na bithemba ira yomba kwithire kigito I mistakes ile ko antu bomba kwithira bakimekendera bochala ni insurance ile ko bakwenda guita
mbere especially the insurance agents everybody can advise their customers accordingly. Because muntu aga kwithira tena good information you can possess a wrong policy. Na okay when a wrong policy either claim no ayo chumpure na company nya no ere kure claim wira. Because for example okura insurance, let's say a comprehensive policy. And now when ragira ngare ku insurance ya comprehensive. Then mistake ya kuya or to policy rawa eroni a third party. So in the case ngare ya kona accident, the vehicle will not be covered. Then to give a compensation. So anto bibati kwithira bena good knowledge na kinyaba aba when the policies baga ya anto the correct information. Because insurance shouldn't be sold by agents who are licensed according to the Insurance Act of 1984. So okay tena a legal kana tena a valid license in Kenya when the insurance is illegal. So ginyanto baba go insurance actually they should be looking kana baka ile baba bandria policy. Because company amba with any issues ete kompa go ya client bura ko baterie maybe no charge less premium. So gonna some of the people iba we to company naira na finally company ajo amba nyo collapse na ntobara bati batena policy ndro watu baba kaita go insurance inge bank another extra cost. So anto bati ko tana boya na insurance igendwa bure baterie kisheria na igendwa ne ntobara by licensed bara kwethenya kwena legal proceedings kana kwena kisheria ombiginyo igogotin ogomba kurama na watu eka okatetera your customer. Yes.
Okay. Atuchoke au kiri auto choice insurance na ndo babo deal maybe na insurance changari mno nimbi muene ngari abati kumenyendere jete akuyuki insurance na babo kanendete te kuyuki insurance.
Pardon?
No tuitonya kiri insurance agency yenu ya auto choice.
Yes.
No yenu deal maybe na mangari.
Yes.
Right? Nimbi muene ngari abati kumenya mno akia kuita insurance na babo.
mbere tutendagia changare yake auto choice windili lutho classes of insurance.
Okay.
Number 2, customer agia kura policy na batwe mbere nabati kumenya who is this auto choice kana owners auto choice work. So no either maybe I refund by people because we work in with integrity na clients wetu they refer customers wengi sana. So customer nabati kwithira actually na clear information na bila bati kumenya byo tumwa a valid policy no waita kiri insurance kiri app ko ya bwireo no acheki kana akaita ki star 352 hash confirm kitha policy yake isawa. So those are kana ujoje yani thirikari okulogira mponde itawa association of kana aki association of Kenya insurance confirm with the policy yake valid na in case yake ya ku notify kana ya ku notice policy yake tisawa abadi uton notice immediately kenda to contact one of our staff oraya ni the policy u toda kitha isa sawene. Yes.
Kwina mantu warire muno nkugo kiweta a comprehensive na weta mantu third party insurance different kana mwanya yo insurance icho ile nimbi
third party policy ya burambu wire eneo minimum insurance policy ro mtu abati kwithira inio kisheria. So comprehensive ne ira ndio cover kinya yo vehicle third party me ati cover ngare ku third party cover liabilities ira chombikia kwa incurred by other people or either ogere yakwa. So eneo mbitre transfer of risk kana orita risk kewe ogekeri insurance company. So comprehensive ngare gwe gaitha comprehensively covered ege yakona accident and tobara still obogare ngare no kana barabara ngiro we na uome baka covered na still your vehicle orumbi repaired getha repairable na getha damage di bro right umba ko repair instead of which the company now give you money equivalent to that insurance kana to the value of your vehicle. Getha ngare gwe kare 3 million you can be compensated up to 3 million. Kana boka negotiate your company, you can also be given a chance for that salvage with a repair baka deduct bajira baka endarie then you baka nekara balance. So comprehensive ke ka banyangare ku na other people na properties chanto bangi. Yes.
Kwina aite babikibiki na rimwe igutwika maybe bethera baki na nyate babikibiki akibaraba ku insurance no trim na bamwe iba tonyiruki fraudsters kana maybe no aeleruwe wenderu insurance yeruo na wetikire na waura lakini tukuikita itanga ukeya kumenya insurance ira ni yaruo watrima kwina mtu ena ome akuwa bano akuma auto choice insurance kwendri na kaura buru lakini tukuchikita ngo kamenya kwa skamero babuni atagutia ira ni atakuguthakia akenda utira maybe ki agency yenu kutina amba kana kutina fraudsters baraba kuchiona baraba kuchibwire batwika babu.
System jetu they are very okay. Kinyam to agente policy na rare tukona tone premium fulani wa received from this person na itu ita to an extent nya to karingira client ura to confirm. Although in the industry to na to very unprofessional baraba bana those unethical behaviors actually mando ya kwa peni sana na iwo ntunkwira antu kana Kenyans bagi ura insurance ibamba ba ngatha information ke wo baitaria na baga menya muntu buru abendri insurance yesa sawa na imbure nyanto nabo nyawa insurance you don't just keep quiet go to an extent you confirm kitha policy we valid through gunya star 352 hash. Yes.
Akuningana na wori etekiri industry ya insurance wethwa ni vitu ma Kenya abethra kidogo tu baichoka nyuma kiri kugita insurance policies no tutuma Kenya mtu aina ngari lakini atamitira aina bikibiki atamitira aina ngwe yawe na nya what maybe 5 million 10 million pano atagitira insurance kuningana na wori etekiri industry ni byo kona vitu ma antu baikucha nyuma kuba kudira bagita insurance.
Aiboya ambere money ignorance anto bakasi umantu bakasi umantu ati mbo karika uji manzo no yakarike so money ignorance enge imbandi characters kana mbandi history ya insurance oigwa mtu fulani na kwenda na insurance ngare yako ni akarenta riro athirungwa kwa ita those things happen so omanto yo nthero inkuanto ibati with a insurance na actually une mweto ma kwitha kuna low conception ya insurance kintu gengi enda kuwa especially ke antu bambikibiki baba ingi bati wagi insurance because baba ingi bati license they are not licensed kana batina driving license so gaitho tina driving license so kinyawe tetheti bikibiki na insurance still kwena gap because those are the things ira insurance ya ilakia ekawa mtu atari kana atabati kwethira itethagia ngari ka bikibiki so anguwa mtu agitethia ngari ka bikibiki na hakikisha na valid driving license na either na valid insurance policy kana cover kenda indicate manto ya karika ategea kwethira aitiani loan insurance na omba kona akira baterie. Yes.
Na kire world kana kente guru ya insurance kuna challenges tabu ba kwethira bulukira ndichikitira no tutarire ni iriku na iriku.
Challenges iri nyingi. Emano tu kweta financial constraints. Anto bagaitha batina mbia na iba ko endro consume this product. So is one of the challenges. Challenging ni kweta band history. Kana ora insurance ye consiva wa mbere kana uranto wa gari. So those are the some of the challenges ira tuchamanagia cho kiri industry claim process onto no insure the customer gari kona accident so go follow those claims sometimes company ga na financial stress kwa tuiba usungusha customer challenges ingejia mawakili na polisi so those things are there but as much as they are there itwara gyo jitaku wangato kakisha customer akawa satisfied kana akona bila bibaterie kuringana na agreement irabaye kanite na insurance. Yes.
A technology ne yetena ne tena bila ikichenja mantu ne yama ingetamnya kitara ki insurance industry abukuba kwethira bwiki nyola na arabu twika amanto mengi ero kwenda kubwitha ti lazima wito bichine physically no utonye mutandao ne thimu ne ku kachi andikike tu no kachoke biuri okorwa kithiri mutandao ne gure wo kariwa na story karikia technology butethetia ati maybe ki positive na negative kirutererwa insurance
aiboya mbere technology netotathetie muno batu because mbere ugia kwandiria for example muntu ai Nairobi wa mwitira insurance we Meru insurance ina yaginya tu ndress mbere ginya because igiomba wita ko rio tuko no gaya certificate ya gairo ngari nega friend to Nairobi endre mbu yaginya ki Nairobi muntu rana itire so those are some of the challenges ira chiareo but with the technology nowadays inyatio comfort zone no withiria muntu insurance agara premium immediately ega reflect kire our system to agi information yewe na insurance yameona immediately through the WhatsApp kana the email so technology no tutathetie positively. Yeah.
Okay. Kaita na kana nditu na young generation na nukurikana kwina kinya older generation barabara ari kwene ndiku na baba kwitwa Gen Z uteke bakwenda kumenya are we embracing matujege insurance kinya ku insure into bila tuina bio engari chietu na mimbi kinya ku chwa policies cha kithomo ito ku embrace kana difference ya older generation na batu tuikunimbi
actually yogiuria kaya Gen Z ginya thantu baba yukia negatively generation yune ko memanto maingi muno so ginya manto insurance they have nyuma iba kwelewa what is happening in the world na most of them iba consumer products especially baba vile school na ya baba with attachment to buy insurance attachment cha 1 year 2 years 3 years depending na cost ira mtu akobethia so majority of them iba kwelewa about insurance. Yes.
Okay. Do you think antu baina umenyo bwege mantu jege insurance?
Kuringana na statistics insurance penetration in Kenya is very low. So iko maanisha antu baingi batina information na ibo ntugua batwe ngwato iko kuritana antu as much as possible tomba kukinyela antu baingi because penetration you sometimes it contribute nyai igwethera antu batina mbecha biminge bi contribute igwethera antu batina knowledge because muntu agaitha na knowledge enje ya kinyate na mbecha no ichumie mwaka ka na mbecha ira na akaumba kwethera I purchase these products. Yes.
Wewe CEO wa Auto Choice Insurance ni bio thomete kiri insurance sector. Mwaka thai.
Insurance inthomete manto maingi. Number 1. Ya bungua. Inthomete antu te ava gura insurance. Majority kabatina information. Na kinya thirikari nowadays negurita ngwenje onto ne baritana through the media. Na media actually you are playing a very big role to penetrate kana kwa ensure anto iba kuelewa about these things. So bila toka ichomia bi kuritana anto bandro because anto ibaria mwanga baka loimanto. So our work is to keep on kubaira mwanga bawate. Yes.
Endera mtu akwenda akuyakire insurance sector abatu kwithirana qualities riko maybe inyakethire rutero kithomo abatu kwithirana kithomo akia rutere rwiku ni bibiongo bingi abatu kumba kwithira aina biuka na abatu kwithira akimenyendera kwenda gutonya kire insurance sector.
Kire insurance sector better no mwanga muntu aithire athomi because you cannot sell insurance when you don't know how to speak kana communication skills. Na minimum qualification ya insurance no batiwe thera na certificate ya COP, certificate of proficiency, eneo minimum requirement kulingana na sheria ya Kenya. So kaida tena you cannot be licensed na utomba kwa insurance. Yes.
Ore CEO imbi bigo kaira inya everyday awukira witangwine kukinya kwithira mimbi kwina challenges gukira ukethira a whole week uti insurance kinyemore ndia but you still pushing.
That is very good. Bimbi kaira moyo mno. Customers betu because we have got very good customers, those who have believed in us. Na ito endraga na ituika kwa ito bati kwithira to serve at any given time. So you neto aya motisha to kwamba kwithira to na moral ekurutangwe na actually na kwenda nya kumenya biantu baba ingi imbitwe na bio na itwethera tugendra antu ba ingi bamenya about Auto Choice Insurance Agency. Yes.
Lakini mturato alitie gwati Mr. Julius na kwenda maybe kwithira ai kuyukia insurance cover ina abati kwambiriria na ni bia abati kwithira ina bio the requirements
requirement ya insurance better no mwanga mtu athena bia because insurance policies are paid using virangu wa premiums kamba chira ya insurance ya premiums. Number 2 kethira ingari for example muntu no mwanga ithena KRA pin aindiewe na aithena logbook because logbook ni aga na information ndato kwenda kingari na logbook na kibande kibati kwithira kithangari unia mtu ya toni ethana yake. So those are the some of the requirements binge bitu in system no ginyetha etethero tero tu no durita nantu ibo ya batekatitha kingari batina valid driving license because eunio litathagia rago na issue ontoga that nio company nio ga that opportunity yakawa mtu atego bati kwithira itithiti ngari. Yes.
Okay, kile mtu rako a trustworthy insurance agency akana a company irani ya uma irati yua irati angangwa
iboya imbambiriria ndarua muntu age insurance na bati kwithanga data enough information na akamenya muntu omwe insurance ire history yake na tekari kana claim yake yako yari na ateombikia ku follow that claim. So anto bati kwithira baina time baka yukia time baka thoma na baka inquire from different people baka menya because there are some people who have kana kwina antu bara bonete mante una baga competent kana batethuka. So also those people can refer them to us. I think ni moya bila customer batikulela mbere kana consider mbere ura insurance. Yes.
Ndira mtakubwithia mantu turone na mrotero na biashara abutha kikenda mimbi omba kwithira kiona profit kana kyo ikichonera gantu. Rutero ni rwa insurance. How do you make money? Kana mturau akwenda kutonya ki insurance industry atonya kimenya mbecha imeka go atia non twende nateko mnyekithira insurance biashara kana ikaria
bere insurance ikaria na business it carries both ki profit making kire anto barangu ira anto baingi baraba na that policy na ba kai bona loss. So the balance ira tiara that money is reinvested to reinvest that money because volumes no ingie kwa tueka claims kuingia ngorogia bila ko generate because me ke premium compare na claim ure kariwa they are very much difference because no premium 100,000 lakini whether we demand 3 million from a company. So no mo ngamba je reinvested can they create more money to the pool can run to better issues company there na stability kana financial stability and bomba ogeta for those claims. Yes.
Na tukirekeria waileti uruterero wa insurance agency no waili okona maybe the future insurance in maybe some years to come insurance industry ketre karibu na buna delune ya Kenya kana kinyao kwa tumia.
Actually insurance as we are going on kebati with the guy are more stronger because the Kenyan population is growing. It is not decreasing. Meaning that antobara batina insurance iba baingi sana. So there is no time kwa ginya do insurance edomba gorwa because Kenya is growing. While like 20 years to 50 million, but today go the census give the minya with more than 50 million. Meaning that the economy of the people of Kenya are growing. Na uraba kon grow na bom ninsi ga drajingei. So insurance conception na insurance koyogi insurance still ekokaithira kureo even in the future.
Okay.
Yes.
Akire Auto Choice Insurance Agency ukiri okiwe CEO maybe in the next 5 years kana in the 10 years which you know ukiwa wapi?
That is very good. Kiuriege ya sana. In the next 5-10 years we want to grow to a global company.
Wow.
To a global company and that is where we are aiming to. Yes.
Ke company yenu kana kile agency yenu how do you create job opportunities maybe ki my youth kana kile antu barabati na ngwina tabumba kuthira create job opportunities
kwa either kuna vacancy ito advertise na baraba ikwa bena that need ito ba consider na okaitha ugendra with the more the insurance players ito kwa advertise wambe with the school or the certificate ile ibati legally with the area omba kwa insurance. Yes, so we give that opportunity to people. Yes.
Enderapo kwa mtu ngwini ndipo wa ila kiende
those qualifications kwa qualification ya insurance but no manga with na knowledge insurance na on that knowledge it is through education. Na kwa college insurance ile ito college of insurance. That is why we refer people. Aita bakathoma, pathoma, baona that certificate now, they can now become insurance professionals. Yes.
Na tukirekeria maybe final message ki antoroka to diatrite akuina mtu atwire aina obwa wa kuita insurance maybe aina background yati uni dina muchure ngare wene ore accident atarirwe andi nongi na itirite mwana we police kidogo aikurekera ati mbeje ciawe cia urawe nezirite na tumbie turongo twingie ombetira kigwa amantu ne jegi insurance makinyawe kinya rimo nyuma kana atue nyuma ya kubakwira akiyukia insurance policy kenda wariria mtiu enobwa bombeche ciawe chumba kwira chikiurira kiri insurance.
So mbere ambu otimbecha chura kiri insurance because you have kana twina boundary government boundary regulate insurance. We have IRI, kana right insurance regulatory authority. Ire regulate the insurance industry. Na raya na licenses to the all insurance players, assessors, insurance brokers, insurance agents, insurance companies. So baya jamu tujethera I protected ke sheria ya Kenya na antu batibati okira kwa insurance. In case you guys kuna issues, you can go to those firm kana to those government agencies like IRI na baya chagu itema ko rekidra je safe na nya company ya collapse ko boundary itawa PHCF kana ko mbeja mtu itawa ke policy ila ita line of premium ija included itawa policy under compensation fund. So in case a company goes under, that is no mtu ita launch claim wake because no company dire na bando policy kwika ithira kirani. So why take PHCF we have guide on what to do na ibaya na to a maximum of 500,000 in compensation. Yes.
Okay. Anabaga sana Mr. Julius, kuna mtu mimbi yaringeenda kumenya ino ombi kyo kugwatania na ombi kyo kugwatania ate ana ina ofisi chenu ile no utueleze?
Yes. So muntu agaenda mbona no atumire mobile number. My office number is 0712 250 455. Akaringa at any time ikayugwa office ine na ka serviced. Personally agaenda mbona no aringe through 0724 355 395. Sa offices chetu we are located at Twin Plaza in Meru na again at any time you can come there and atatukuta huko. Yes.
Thank you very much Mr. Julius, na tupokuya na tutomere mantujegie insurance na kinya utueleza mantujegie auto choice insurance na nimbibyongwa abumba kwithira abu kibwithia tukaweta ringi na nikienda weta na mbere na ututhobete nontu uni mwene ya knowledge kana information ira antu wenda batumba kwithira baina chuka na batechio na mono ende gwatwika baina kinyobwa abo kuita insurance ndira kaita kwa wita insurance gakinya watrima mtu na urengari lakini amepakite muchino ntu atikumenya insurance iriku abatukumba kwithira kimithira mutegeri wa Meru TV ugeta kuraya akethira kichoke ona cha kinyatha ithatu na mubango ywankathi ya kithomo aratuketha tukibatanira na Faith Muchemi guchukirika tucha mwanya muno ntubututhia tira kiri mubango ya turingeini.
Thank you.